Don't miss this 2010 Jeep Grand Cherokee. It's equipped with automatic transmission and features a brilliant black crystal pearl exterior. With 36,690 miles, you'll want to take this car home. Make a great choice today. Contact us and see this car firsthand.